So we are going to start with the solution of the question above, which says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Alright, if you look at this circuit critically well, you observe that this circuit is a symmetrical circuit, right? Alright, so if we pass current through this circuit, if you connect a voltage source, the same current that enter into this part will be the same current that enter into this branch. Similarly with this and this, with this and this, with this and this, so they are all in series, right? So we don't need to do much. R plus R is 2R, right? So we can therefore connect this branch directly. So we can therefore connect these two directly. Connect these two directly. Connect these two directly. All right. So all right. All right. All right. So here we are going to have 2R, 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 2R. All right. So again, you are going to see that this is parallel to this. This is also parallel to this. This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this, and they are the same, right? So 2R is parallel to 2R. Let's just solve for one. 2R is parallel to R. So we are going to have RT1 to be equals to 2R multiplied by R all over 2R plus what? Plus R. So this is going to give us 2R squared all over 3R. R will go with 1R here. Now answer will be 2R all over 3. So we can therefore replace this with 2R over 3, 2R over 3, 2R over 3. Then we clean this, the other part. This well again. You can see they are still the same. Alright. So this will be in series with this. This will be in series with this. Since they are the same, we just solve for one again. So RT2 will be equals to 2R over 3 plus 2R all over 3, which is going to give us 4R over 3. All right. So we can therefore connect them directly now. You can see that the two resistors now, they are now in parallel. So we can therefore find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. All right. So 2R or 4R rather all over 3 is parallel to 4R all over 3. So the equivalent resistance between the two terminals is going to be 4R all over 3 multiplied by 4R all over 3 divided by 4R all over 3 plus 4R all over 3. So which is going to give us 16R squared all over 9 and divided by 8R all over 3. So we can rearrange this. Then our R equivalent will be equals to 16R squared all over 9 multiplied by 3 all over 8R. 3 here 1, 3 here is 3. 8 here 1, 8 here 2. R here 1, R will go with 1 R here. Then we'll be left with 2 R all over what? All over 3 ohm. So this will be the solution to the above question. I hope we understand this, and don't forget we have our well structured materials written for you guys. You can place an order. All right, and peradventure today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to also share this content with your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.